If you've ever wondered why Slavic women look so effortlessly gorgeous, let me spill the tea. It's not just genetics. These women put in work. Beauty to them isn't a costume they put on when someone's watching and take off when they're home alone. It's literally a lifestyle. It's ingrained in everything they do, from how they take care of their hair to making sure their teeth are sparkling white. Every single action matters. So when people are like, why do Slavic women just glow like that? It's not magic. It's just that their everyday habits are secretly making them look incredible without even trying. Let's dive into the tips that'll change your life. Their glow starts in the kitchen, and I know people love to hate on Slavic food for some reason, but their foods are so much healthier. Slavic women love to steam or boil their meals instead of frying everything. And honestly, steaming is so much better for you. When you fry food, you're adding tons of oil and basically cooking all the nutrients out of it. But steaming, it keeps all the vitamins locked in, doesn't add unnecessary calories, and your food actually tastes fresh and light. The best thing you can do is get yourself a steaming machine. You literally just throw in your fish, your veggies, set the timer, and boom! 25 minutes later, dinner is done! Another thing they do is they skip all the extra sauces, dressings, and toppings we love to drown our food in. Your meals should be super simple. No extra oils, sugar, or calorie-dense add-ons. Like, did you know that this much salad dressing has more calories than an entire head of broccoli? Insane, right? They're not about to let all their meals' calories come from just a tiny drizzle of ranch. Their food is clean, simple, and doesn't have all that extra junk. And when you start eating like that, you'll notice so much change in your digestion. No more bloating, no more feeling heavy and gross after meals. It's honestly life-changing. Okay, this one blew my mind. Most of us eat our meals however we feel like it, right? Like main dish first, salad on the side, whatever. But Slavic women do it the opposite way. They start every single meal with a salad. Salads are full of water and fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied before you even get to the heavier stuff. It basically safeguards you from overeating. When you fill up your stomach with the good stuff first, you're less likely to go overboard on everything else. That's honestly so genius. Most advice Slavic women give is to cut off fats from your diet. I mean, that's literally why they steam their foods instead of cooking with oil. But Slavic women know that healthy fats aren't the enemy. They're actually the secret weapon for glowing skin, shiny hair, and a body that looks good. If you cut out fats completely, you can end up skinny fat. Your skin gets dull, and your hair loses that natural shine. That's because fats are crucial for balanced hormones. That's why they make sure to include foods like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and even butter. In moderation, of course. Don't be scared of fat. Your body needs it. A lot of women suffer from issues connected to poor gut health like rumbling stomachs, tummy aches, and painful bloating. Slavic women actually don't, because they eat a ton of fermented vegetables like dill, sauerkraut, kefir, and pickles. And there's a reason for it. These foods help digestion, and since your digestion literally affects your glow, it's no wonder their skin looks so good. And instead of soda, they drink homemade compote or kvass. Just fruit, sugar, and water boiled together. This is simple and refreshing, and so much better for you. Slavic women swear by fresh soups and bone broths. And honestly, I get it. Soup is basically a magic healing bowl. You can toss in any vegetables, potatoes, leftover protein, add water, simmer it, and suddenly you have something super nourishing and light on the stomach. Drinking soup keeps you hydrated, supports digestion, and delivers vitamins and minerals in an easy-to-absorb way. Slavic women treat movement like it's just part of everyday life, not something they have to drag themselves to do. And if you're not naturally into working out, the key is to fall in love with an active lifestyle. Consistent movement like this doesn't just shape your body, it makes you look and feel your absolute best from the inside out. Okay, this sounds wild, but Slavic women have been using full-fat sour cream on their skin for generations. It's naturally rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells without irritation. At the same time, the fats deeply hydrate and help restore your skin's natural barrier, which is perfect for drier, sensitive areas. If you've ever gotten a sunburn or redness, sour cream helps calm the irritation and cool your skin down. Slavic women have been using cold cabbage leaves straight from the fridge as a natural skincare hack, and I'm obsessed! The leaves are cool and soothing, which helps reduce puffiness around your eyes and face, calm inflammation, and relieve irritation from sun exposure or stress. They also contain antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C and K, which help repair your skin and brighten your complexion over time. Slavic women have been using nettle or birch rinses for centuries as a natural way to keep hair strong and gorgeous, long before fancy shampoos and serums even existed. The rinse is usually used before shampooing, so all those nutrients can really soak into your scalp and hair. Nettle is packed with vitamins and minerals like iron, silica, and zinc, which soothe your scalp, reduce dandruff, and even support hair growth. Using these rinses regularly makes your hair look glossy, full, and strong. Slavic women have been using raw eggs on their hair and face for generations. Eggs are packed with high-quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals that help repair damaged hair, strengthen brittle strands, and make hair shinier and fuller. On your skin, the mask works to tighten pores, firm sagging areas, and improve elasticity, thanks to all those natural proteins and nutrients. Slavic women have been using potatoes for centuries as a simple, natural remedy that goes way beyond the kitchen. Cold potato slices placed on your eyes help reduce puffiness, soothe tired eyes, and lighten dark circles, thanks to their cooling effect and natural compounds that calm inflammation. Meanwhile, boiled potato steam is a gentle, effective way to clear your sinuses, ease congestion, and even help with colds, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter remedies. Slavic women have long used full-fat milk as a gentle, natural way to care for their skin. When you apply it as a compress, milk hydrates deeply, softens rough or dry patches, and calms irritation from sun, dryness, or stress. It also contains lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that can brighten your skin and improve texture over time. Slavic women have been using valerian root as a natural way to relax, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. You can take it as tea, drops, or pills, and it works gently on your nervous system. Valerian is also an anti-inflammatory, which can reduce stress-related pimple breakouts, puffiness, and fatigue. It can actually help your skin recover overnight. Okay, I know this sounds unhinged, but Slavic women have used onion socks for generations as a surprisingly effective home remedy. The idea is simple. Place slices of raw onion in your socks and wear them overnight. According to tradition, the onions are believed to draw out toxins from your body while you sleep. It may sound wild, but many people find the ritual refreshing and oddly soothing. Slavic women often make it a habit to take a walk after meals, even just a short one, to help with digestion and prevent bloating. Moving your body gently after eating keeps your metabolism active, supports gut health, and can even improve circulation. It's such a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference in how you feel. Slavic women have been making DIY face masks for generations, using simple, natural ingredients that are packed with nutrients. Things like cottage cheese for protein, honey to hydrate and fight bacteria, oats to soothe irritation, egg yolk to strengthen and nourish, and olive oil to lock in moisture. Mixing these together creates a mask that softens, hydrates, and protects your skin, all without expensive products. They also practice contrast rinsing, alternating between warm and cold water when washing their face. Warm water opens your pores and helps cleanse the skin, while cold water closes them and tightens everything up. Okay, this one sounds kinda weird, but stay with me. Slavic women often include jellied meat, like aspic or meat and natural gelatin, in their diet. And it's more than just a traditional dish. It's a beauty and health booster. This type of meat is rich in collagen and protein, which supports skin elasticity, joint health, and strong hair and nails. Eating jellied meat regularly helps maintain youthful, firm skin from the inside out, because collagen is literally one of the building blocks your body uses to stay supple and radiant. In a way, it's like a natural, edible beauty treatment with surprisingly powerful effects on your appearance. It's honestly kind of like Botox. So there you have it, the beauty secrets Slavic women have been using for generations. Try incorporating even just a few of these tips into your routine and comment your experience with it.